Chicken cage, steel wire mesh welding machine adopts power electronic synchronous control technology. And the welding time and sub-control welding are composed of digital integrated circuits. Line wire is automatic feeding by coil wire. And cross wire is feeding with pre-cut wire automatic falling to ensure that the length of the cross wire is uniform and the edges are neat. The welding speed is fast. And the operation is simple and easy to learn.